So, in this video, let's imagine that we're word detectives. Our job is to look at words and phrases to figure out what they really mean, especially when they're used in ways that might be a bit tricky or different. When we're word detectives, we're looking for two types of clues. Figurative meanings. This is when a word or phrase means something different than its usual meaning. Like when someone says, "It's raining cats and dogs." We don't literally have pets falling from the sky. It means it's raining heavily. Connotative meanings. This is the feeling or idea a word suggests beyond its usual meaning. For example, saying, "my ancient grandma," instead of "my old grandma." It could suggest that the speaker thinks their grandma is very, very old, or from another time entirely. And remember, word choice can affect the way a sentence feels or its tone. Let's put on our detective hats and look at a passage from Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone by J.K. Rowling. The Dursleys had a small son named Dudley, and in their opinion, there was no finer boy anywhere. Here we see a figurative meaning. The phrase "no finer boy anywhere" is not literal. The Dursleys don't believe Dudley is made of gold or diamonds. They simply think he's the best boy there could possibly be. The connotative meaning, the word "finer" suggests more than Dudley being a good boy. It suggests he's outstanding, exceptional, maybe even perfect in their eyes. And another impact of word choice. By using "finer," the author gives us a sense of how highly the Dursleys think of Dudley. This sets a tone of exaggeration and humor because we can guess that Dudley might not be as fine as the Dursleys believe. So, word detectives, remember to keep an eye out for figurative and connotative meanings, and notice how word choices can change the meaning and tone of a text. Time to grab your magnifying glasses and start cracking some word mysteries in our books.